Every glass bottle begins with sand pulled from the earth.
Purity here determines strength later.
Quality is checked before a single bottle exists.
Only exact grains move forward.
Sand is joined by minerals that stabilize glass.
Each component has a role in preventing failure. Chemistry controls the melt.
Precision starts before heat. Old bottles strengthen new ones. Uniformity prevents internal stress.
Balance is everything.
Mistakes here echo as explosions later. The blend sets the future. Now the journey inward begins. What starts as dust moves toward fire. Raw materials begin their controlled journey.
Every kilometer risks contamination.
Protection preserves consistency. The process narrows to one destination.
Entry is controlled like the process itself.
Nothing on Verifit enters.
Raw earth meets engineered order.
Flow is designed, not accidental.
Accuracy begins before unloading.
Safety stabilizes the system.
Traceability prevents catastrophe. The transfer must be flawless. Movement without exposure. Recycled glass re-enters the cycle. Now the factory takes control. Inside these walls, sand becomes pressure-tested glass.
Fire is controlled, never free.
This is where pressure is born.
Humans operate what heat cannot.
Measured inputs prevent violent outcomes.
Temperatures decide survival. Too hot, and glass weakens.
Uniform melt prevents internal stress. Control replaces chaos.
Here, shape meets pressure.
Precision prevents explosion. The next steps decide their fate. Fresh glass is most vulnerable.
Cooling must be gradual.
Dry glass tells the truth.
Invisible fractures are deadly.
Weak glass never advances.
Human eyes still matter.
Pressure finds the weakest edge. Clean inside, safe outside.
Balance prevents stress.
Uneven walls lead to rupture.
What comes next stops explosions.
Stress must be released slowly.
This hidden step saves lives. Glass remembers every temperature it feels. This pause prevents future failure.
Uniform heat equals uniform strength.
Cooling too fast invites cracks.
Air becomes a tool.
Every curve predicts survival.
Stress is being erased.
Strength locks in here.
Explosion risk ends here. Now glass behaves predictably. Proof replaces assumption.
Data confirms discipline.
Only safe glass advances.
Now speed replaces heat.
Strength allows efficiency. Stability enables speed.
Alignment prevents impact stress.
Protection extends lifespan. Invisible layers prevent cracks. Uniform coating equals resilience. Marks must never weaken glass. Identity meets structure. Nothing is rushed.
Every mark is verified.
Pressure reveals weakness.
Survival proves strength.
Speed without chaos.
Timing prevents collision.
Precision now takes over. Machines now think in millimeters.
Touch without impact.
Every bottle is watched. Movement is corrected instantly.
The weakest point gets the most care. Pressure is managed, not ignored. Problems are stopped before impact.
Automation adapts instantly.
Order replaces randomness. Speed stays contained. Now perfection matters.
Nothing is left to chance. Stillness allows accuracy.
Uniform shape means uniform strength.
Flaws grow under pressure.
Surface protection matters.
Bonding completes protection. Inside matters most.
Only flawless glass survives.
Trust, but verify.
Perfection now moves forward.
Calm glass is safe glass.
Final judgment approaches.
Science has the last word.
Accuracy is mandatory.
Now truth is measured. Pressure exposes hidden weakness.
Data never guesses. Failure is studied, not feared.
Annealing proves its value.
Consistency equals safety.
Stress leaves fingerprints. Edges must endure. Clean inside, safe outside.
Every bottle has a history.
Patterns matter more than one.
Yeah.
Only certainty moves forward.
Nothing is wasted.
Approval is earned. SafeGlass is ready to travel. SafeGlass moves together.
Protection continues beyond the line. Containment prevents damage.
Order protects strength.
Stability is sealed. Stillness preserves strength.
Timing prevents shock.
The final movement begins. SafeGlass travels safely.
Human judgment ends the process.
And this is how modern factories produce glass bottles from start to finish.
Strength now leaves the factory.
Precision turns sand into safety.